What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Are you busy?
A little bit.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a bit.
What's the matter?
Nothing, just tired.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Where is the restroom?
Down the hall to the right.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How was your day?
Pretty good.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am.
Can I sit here?
Of course.
Want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm good.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Do you like music?
I love it.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it is.
Do you work out?
Sometimes.
Where do you work?
At a bank.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
What's wrong?
Nothing really.
Are you tired?
A little.
Can you come now?
I'm on my way.
What are you thinking about?
Just random stuff.
Do you like it here?
Yeah, it's nice.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Want to hang out?
Sure, when?
Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Is it far?
Not really.
Do you like dogs?
I love them.
What's your hobby?
Reading.
Are you serious?
Yes, totally.
What do you mean?
I mean exactly that.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
Are you going out?
Yes, in a bit.
Where are you now?
At home.
What's going on?
Not much.
Can I call you later?
Sure,
Have we met before?
I think so.
What's your favorite movie?
Inception.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Are you new here?
Yes, just moved in.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes.
Can I borrow this?
Yeah, no problem.
Are you cold?
A bit?
Do you like traveling?
Yes, a lot.
Where are you going?
To the store.
What's your plan today?
Just relaxing.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What are you wearing?
Just jeans and a t-shirt.
Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella.
What did you say?
I said I'm coming.
What are you looking at?
Just the sky.
Can I join you?
Of course.
Is it your first time?
Yes, it is.
Want to grab lunch?
Sounds great.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
How's your family?
They're doing well.
Can you wait a minute?
Sure,
What do you want?
just some water.
Are you done?
Almost.
Want to watch something?
Yeah, why not?
What's your favorite sport?
Football.
What's your job?
I'm a designer.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What are friends for?
Exactly.
What's today's date?
It's the 25th.
Do you have time?
Yes, a little.
Are you alone?
Yes, just me.
Is everything okay?
Yes, don't worry.
Do you like reading?
Very much.
Where were you?
At work.
What do you want to do?
Let's go out.
Want something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
What's your favorite place?
The beach.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was fun.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Are you on social media?
Yes, Instagram mostly.
When is your birthday?
July 5th.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.